Can you see you?
Yes. Hi, I'm Kayla. This is Cheryl Harvey,
Hi.
my mentor. And this is the lesson plan for the secondary, the lesson plan 1. My target student is in 12th grade. We are working on today identifying the difference in level 1 and level 2 questions, and to master the objective today is just to have an 80% accuracy on the worksheet that I've made for them. I think there's this almost after that.
Okay.
The materials that we need for this, I have the iPad for her to read the summaries on because she has lower reading comprehension.
Mm-hmm.
So the bigger letters and the different lighting will help her a little better. And then paper and pencil for our worksheet that we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
The technology that we're using is, of course, the iPad for the book. Any prior knowledge she needs, just know what a question is. She's working on this stuff in English as well, but they've only did a brief overview of it, so we're going to hit it a little bit harder. The adaptations is just a small group setting because she has ADHD, so we need a lot less distractions.
Mm-hmm.
And then give her help with independent work. Our environment, it was supposed to be calm and cool. It is calm and warm. So in the lesson, I'm just going to ask them if they know what the types of questions are. Tell them, I'll explain to them what a level 1 question is, what it touches. And that's basically just, it goes over facts, it touches surface information. An example of a level 1 question would be who ran in the book. You know, just very basic, very common. A level 2 question, it requires you to dig a little bit deeper, make inferences, draw conclusions, compare things. And an example of that would be, what's the main conflict, problem, or issue in the text? I'll explain to them why they're both helpful to them while they're reading, what it helps them to understand in the books. And then on guided practice, I have made summaries of both the chapters that it's over.
Mm-hmm.
Chapters 1 and 2 in the book UBIC. And hers will be on the iPad, and the other student will do the paper copy. And they'll write a level 1 question and a level 2 question for each summary together. And then independently, I have the worksheet that I made that's on the back of the summaries. And on that, they will write down, there's 5 questions at the start, and they'll just identify if it's a level 1 question or a level 2 question on things that were in the summary. And then a short answer is just a little scenario I made up, and they have to write a 1 and 2 question for that.
Okay.
And then I will let them know, I'll just kind of recap, ask them to explain to me what a level 1 and a 2 question is, and tell them that next time we meet, we're going to go over reading functions like character, voice, and plot.
Okay.
And that should be it. Hopefully it'll go well.
Sure it will. It looks like an interesting lesson.
Alrighty.